Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings today to share with you from CooDeals. If you saw last month's video from CooDeals, you can see how these were packaged when they were shipped to me because their packaging is amazing. But I have three different pictures to share with you today. This first one is a 30 by 40 and this is in round, and I can tell straight away that it's round because the symbols are shown on the side as round, and it is this little cutie. How cute is he? Looks like he's ready to play. So this cute little fox has 17 colours. It is 25 by 35. So with CooDeals, if you just take 5 centimetres off the side for the border, you will know the diamond painting area. So if you do need to be able to put it into a certain frame or in a certain place, that's how you can work out the size you need, because there are multiple sizes available. With each kit you do get a toolkit with a single placer pink pen, a pair of tweezers, wax, a nice white boat and a couple of baggies. And then you do get not only your diamonds, but one of the things I love is you get an inventory sheet. I like these because you can create your own stickers. So I will pop these two columns, which is the symbol and the colour number or the DMC number. I will bob those through my sticker maker to label up my storage when I'm doing a painting. And this is really handy for that. So you do get a cover paper sheet and then you get your diamonds in bags. So we do have quite a bit of white, or 3865. It is the bulk of the background, and of course his belly and his cheeks and his tail. But then we do get gorgeous orange. There's even a little bit of purple. Some of this shading here, you may be able to see now I've pointed it out, that has got purple elements to it. We've got yellow, brown, some bright orange, some pinks, rusty colours, and again a few more sort of purpley colours which really come into play in the shading. Let's not forget to put the white back in there because I've got a feeling this painting will need it. So yeah, the first one is our cute little fox. I just thought then they were little pine cones, but of course they're not. There is paws. So that's painting number 1. Painting number 2 is also a round painting. In fact, all of these are. I must have been enjoying choosing the round option for this one. So this one is a very colourful one. It is a 35 by 35, which means it is a drill area of 30 by 30. But look at him. He's got some gnashers, hasn't he? So this one is, of course, a tiger. He does have some bright colours hiding in here. There's actually 29 colours in this one. 29 different colours to make up the tiger. But look at some of those bright colours that are hiding in the back. We've got some hot pink, bright orange, yellow, green. We do have a chunk of 939. We do also have a chunk of 310. Put those on the background, add on these bright colours, and wow, they will just shine through. They won't be as hidden in the pack as they are in the packaging once they're on that diamond painting. So that is number 2. He does look a bit angry, doesn't he? It got a bit feisty as that tiger. And then painting number 3 is a big one. Obviously gone for a big one. This is 70 by 50, so this will give you a diamond painting area of 65 by 45. But we're on the beasts today. We have the beasts. Of course, get a toolkit. We have a dragon. I say beast. I mean, the fox looks cute, but in real life, they're a beast. I wouldn't want to get in the way of a feisty fox. So yeah, we have, third one is this beautiful dragon in front of its scenic window with vines and flowers coming up the side. So we do have quite a bit of 310 in this background area to give the framing, and that is that monster bag of 310. There is also some that comes over into, of course, quite a bit of a shading. This is probably, this corner is probably the most blocky part of 310. You might have, I think it's a little bit bigger than that side, but it's probably a bit split in hairs as to which side is bigger. But apart from that, it's sort of scattered. It gives you, there's black in the grids on the windows, there's some black giving the detail on the dragon. So along with the size of the painting, you do go through quite a bit of black, but CooDeals are very good at giving you extras as well. We actually even have borderline fluorescent pink mixed in there, some gorgeous peach. We've got, of course, some greens, a few different shades of green. We've got quite a bit of a dark brown. We've also, that's probably a fairly thick bag of some red, both 606 and 815, probably helping to bring out the colours of his wings. There is 36 different colours, so the symbols do go into some standard symbols, so they use numbers and letters where possible. And then we do have the pi symbol. We have more like a capital letter I, so instead of it just being a stick, it's got its tops. What looks like a, is it like a devil's fork? Everybody's probably got different names for everything. Then we've got a circle with a line through it, and then we've got a hashtag or a number symbol, depending on which enters your head first. But yeah, a couple of symbols, not too many. Most of it is letters and numbers, but isn't he beautiful? He's stunning. I'm really impressed with how he looks. He looks good big. I mean, he'd probably look proper scary big. So yeah, we seem to have an animal theme for today's selections. Not necessarily intentional, but sometimes I do get drawn to certain paintings when I'm choosing. But I will pop the links to each of these down below. They are available in square if you prefer squares. There are also different sizes available, so you can choose what suits you and your style. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.